Dogma definition: the psychology, power, and danger of unquestioned belief. What is dogma and why it still controls the modern mind? Dogma is one of the most powerful psychological forces shaping human history, yet it is rarely examined consciously. At its core, dogma refers to a set of beliefs or principles that are accepted as absolute truth, without question, doubt, or critical examination. These beliefs are often protected by authority, tradition, identity, or fear, rather than evidence or reason. Dogma is not limited to religion or ideology. It exists in politics, education, culture, science, workplaces, families, and even personal identity. Whenever a belief becomes immune to questioning, it becomes dogma. This video explores what dogma truly means, how dogma forms in the human mind, why intelligent people fall into dogmatic thinking, how dogma shapes societies and suppresses growth, and how to recognize and escape dogmatic mental traps. Understanding dogma is not about attacking belief, it is about protecting thought. The definition of dogma, beyond the dictionary. In simple terms, dogma: belief without permission to question. Traditionally, dogma referred to official doctrines, especially religious doctrines, declared as unquestionable truth. But psychologically, dogma is broader. Dogma occurs when questioning is discouraged or punished. Doubt is framed as weakness or betrayal. Authority replaces evidence. Identity becomes fused with belief. A belief becomes dogma the moment it stops evolving. The psychological roots of dogma. Dogma does not begin with evil intent. It begins with psychological comfort. The human brain craves certainty. Uncertainty creates anxiety. Dogma offers clear answers, predictable structure, emotional safety group, belonging. When the world feels complex and threatening, dogma feels calming. This is why dogmatic thinking increases during social instability, economic crisis, rapid technological change, cultural uncertainty. Dogma reduces cognitive load. Thinking becomes easier when answers are already provided. Dogma and identity fusion. The most dangerous form of dogma is identity-based dogma. This happens when beliefs become inseparable from self-worth. At this stage, criticism feels like a personal attack. Questioning feels like betrayal. Evidence is filtered through emotion. Psychologists call this identity fusion. Once identity and belief merge, logic becomes irrelevant. The mind's goal shifts from truth-seeking to self-protection. Why intelligent people become dogmatic? Dogma is not a sign of low intelligence. In fact, intelligent people often build more sophisticated dogma. High intelligence allows better rationalization, stronger verbal defense. Selective interpretation of evidence. Instead of questioning beliefs, intelligence is used to justify them. This is known as motivated reasoning. The smarter the mind, the more convincing the dogma can become. Dogma in education systems. Education is meant to teach thinking, but when education discourages questioning, it becomes dogmatic. Dogmatic education rewards memorization over understanding, punishes dissent, treats authority as truth. Students learn what to think, not how to think. This creates compliance, not wisdom. Dogma in culture and media. Modern dogma spreads faster than ever. Media ecosystems create belief bubbles. Algorithms reinforce existing views. Over time, exposure becomes repetition. Repetition becomes truth. Truth becomes identity. Dogma thrives in echo chambers. When disagreement disappears, thinking decays. The social cost of dogma. Dogma divides societies. It turns complexity into camps. Dogmatic systems Eliminate nuance, dehumanize opponents, replace dialogue with outrage. History shows that most violence begins with certainty. The belief that one side holds absolute truth justifies harm. Dogma versus knowledge. True knowledge evolves. Dogma freezes. Knowledge welcomes. Evidence, revision, humility. Dogma resists. New information, alternative perspectives, self-reflection. The difference is not belief, it is openness. How dogma survives. Over time, dogma survives by repetition, authority endorsement, emotional reinforcement, punishment of doubt. Fear keeps dogma alive. Fear of exclusion, fear of meaninglessness, fear of being wrong. The inner dogma, personal beliefs that limit growth. Dogma is not only external. We create personal dogmas. This is just who I am. People never change. I'm not good at this. These beliefs feel true, but they are often inherited narratives. Personal dogma limits potential, breaking free from dogmatic thinking. Freedom from dogma does not require abandoning belief. It requires curiosity. Key practices: question assumptions, separate identity from belief, seek opposing views, sit with uncertainty. Uncertainty is not danger, it is growth. The courage to question. Questioning is uncomfortable. It threatens social belonging, self-image, emotional safety. But progress begins where comfort ends. Every major advancement in human history came from someone who questioned dogma. The final reflection: dogma is not the enemy. Unexamined belief is. A society that cannot question itself cannot evolve. A mind that cannot doubt cannot learn. The strongest belief system is not the one that demands obedience. It is the one that survives questioning. Welcome to Psyc Academy, where thinking stays alive.